What if your breath could shape a world? Welcome to Uncontrollable Garden, a mixed reality interactive installation exploring the paradox of control in the Anthropocene.
At its heart lies a sculptural landscape, a base of rough white plaster upon which translucent TPU flowers rest.
Breath captured by sensors triggers an air pump to deliver airflow through concealed ducts, causing each petal to pulsate and sway rhythmically. Simultaneously, a UE5 projection of a virtual garden overlays the physical form, its digital world evolving in real time in response to your presence.
To achieve this seamless dialogue, I rigorously tested and calibrated the pneumatic pedal's response, ensuring every breath translates into synchronous movement between the physical and the digital. This is tangible philosophy. As your breath interacts with this space, the system begins to misread your intent. The garden will collapse in response. Ultimately, the virtual layers dissolve entirely, leaving only the traces of sculptures you altered, still breathing. Uncontrollable Garden invites you to breathe, to witness, and to reflect.